Alright, so I'm going to show you how to plug a tire. Got my plug kit right there. First step is to find the foreign object in the tire. This one, you can pretty much see it right here, just close to the edge. So it's a debate on how far, but I mean, we should be good. If you can't find it, just get you a spray bottle with soap and water and just spray around the area, and then you can see it'll start to bubble up if you can't see the foreign object. So the next step will be for us to remove this object. So today I'm just filming by myself, so let's see if I can do it with one hand. So this is a let's see, I might have to put it down, but let me take it up. Alright, so I wasn't trying to take the tire out, so I just backed it up so I can get a good angle. So this is just a Phillips screw. Sometimes you can just pull it off with some pliers, but this one's pretty flush. I'm just turning it out. This tire has been, I had to keep filling it up. Haven't had time. I was going to go to the tire shop to get the inside, but you can see all the hair coming out. So now we go to our kit. Want to clean out the hole with the barb tool. You can really hear it in the air now. So luckily I resprayed it because I almost poked my tire, made another hole. Make sure you pay attention to where you pull the nail out from. So you just want to work this in. Just to clean it out. Just go in and out, turn it. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that in there right now. So here are the plugs. The tool to insert. As soon as you insert it and then you pull it back out, it cuts the plug. And we also got the rubber cement. So usually I just coat the plug before I stick it in. So let me get that ready. So I'm about to put the camera down. Alright, so I got the plug ready. Just insert the plug through the little hole. Pour some rubber cement on the plug itself. So let me just put this down, pull this out. Alright, so the way you want to do this is once you get it in there, alright, so here I got it in. You want to make sure you pull on the rapid motion so I can cut it. Alright. Oh, I really need to get a GoPro. So it would have been a lot easier if I had just removed the tire, but I wasn't trying to do that. So you can see you just cut the excess, which I'm about to do right now. And then we'll just check for leaks again. So it's pretty simple to find your leak. Soap and water. A lot easier if you just take your tire to do it. Alright, final step, just check for leaks. Not getting anything. Alright, so I'm just gonna inflate it to the proper PSI. Got this nice little compressor. You can set your tire pressure and it stops automatically.